In Google Sheets, you can create an extremely simple attendance tracker, just like the one you see on screen right now, in just 10 short steps. 1. List all the students you wish to track in separate columns on top. 2. List the different dates you wish to track them in different rows on the left. 3. Insert checkboxes for all the students on all the dates. 4. Above that, add a row to track the current attendance level of each person. 5. To the right of what you have created so far, create a separate course progression column. This will allow us to track the attendance levels so far during the course. 6. Select the current attendance cell for the first person and use the formula COUNTIFS to count all cells for which attendance has been marked and where the course progression checkbox has been marked as well. Use true as the criterion. 7. Divide this value by the current course progression to create an attendance percentage for each student. 8. Add $signs before the column specifier letter for the course progression cells to lock the position in place. 9. Enclose the entire formula in an if-error statement and specify 0 as the value to occur. This will prevent the formula from throwing an error at the start of the course when there is nothing to divide by. 10. Drag the formula out to the right so that it affects all other students as well. Now you can mark attendance for all students you've added to this attendance tracker by simply clicking the checkbox for that person and marking how far the course has progressed so far by clicking the checkbox for all the dates where lectures have been held. As for formatting, I have simply used alternating colors for the overall look and rotation for the vertically written weeks. If you want to learn more tips and tricks for how to use Google Sheets, check out this playlist.